Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use multiple filters on the desktop application Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application, Microsoft Outlook. Search for this and to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once it has loaded, what we will do is now go to Home. Within Home, we have the filters option, which allows us to filter emails. What I will do is click on a couple of emails and put these emails as unread. And now I will color categorize an email with blue. And now another email, what we will do is then put this email as high priority, so we then know what we are working towards. The first filter I will use is unread. That's fine. If we want to further filter, we will say categorize blue, and all the emails that were unread and in category blue have showed up on screen. So what we will do is clear all filters. Now let's mark that as unread. We now want to filter by unread. Yep. And then filter all the emails that are high priority. And there we go. So we have used multiple filters to look for specific emails within Microsoft Outlook. So we can now clear all the filters, quit Outlook. And so that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.